Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to see the topic find the square root by long division method. So the first sum we are going to see is 289. So how we are going to do this square root? Okay, how we are going to find the square root by using the long division method. So already we know by long division method or otherwise the prime factorization method you can find the square root. So how we can, now we are going to find out using the long division method. So for long division method you have to put like this, okay, then 2, 8, 9. Now you see how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So if they have given the 3 digits means you have to consider the first number first of all. Then other 2 digits you have to consider it. So here 2 is there. Okay, here 2 is there means you can give 1 into 1 equal to 1. Then 2 2s are 4. So since the 4 is the bigger number than 2, so you have to consider 1 1s are 1. Okay, you should not use any other 1 2s or 2 likewise you should not use. Only you have to use the square numbers only. Then you just subtract it. So if you subtract means what is the answer you will get? A remainder is 1 you will get. Then you just take the two numbers immediately. So 1, 8, 9. So what is the what is the number here you are getting is 1 you are getting. Okay, so that is quotient is 1 means you have to multiply by 2. So whatever number it may be you have to multiply by 2 and put it here. So 2 is here. Okay, now you just take this 2 to the rough column. Then you see here the number is 9. So what is the last number? You have to put the square numbers. That is both the number here same number you should put. So I am just putting 3 and 3. So 3 3s are 9. Here 69. So you are not getting this answer. Then how you will get this number? Then you just put 2. 7 7 I am putting. So 7 7s are 49. Carry 4. Then 14 plus 4 what is the answer? 189. So you just put the 7 and you just put the 7 here 1890. Okay, so is that answer is the correct? How we can check it? So you want to cross check means you go to the rough column. What is the answer you have get? 17. So 17 into 17. So 7 7s are 49. Carry 4. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 7s are 7. Then 1s are 1. 9 8 2. So 289 you are getting this question you are getting. So if you cross check like this the answer you should get like this. So what is the question? You should get the answer like this. So likewise you have to use the long division method. Next second sum we are going to see is 6889. That is 6889. So same wise you just put the long division column like this. 6889 you just put it. Then what you have to do? In that 3 digits only is there. So I have just considered the first number alone. Here you see 4 digits they have given. So what we have to do? First 2 numbers you have to consider it. So 64 is there. So roughly we just put 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. Then 8 8s are what is the answer? 64 I am getting. So 64 in the sense it is nearest to the number. Then 9 into 9 is 81. So already I have said you have to put the same multiple of numbers. Same multiple of that is square numbers. Only you have to put it. So what is the number I can put it? 8 into 8, 64. Then you just subtract it 4. Then you just take the 2 numbers 8, 9. Okay, same wise here the quotient what I have got it you have to multiply with the 2 is 8 into 2 is what is the answer? 16. So 16 I am just putting. I am just same wise I am just going to check it 3 and 3. So 9, 18, 1. So that 1 what is a 489. So 3 and 3 what is the answer you are getting? 489 I am getting. If you multiply this 83 into 83 means you will be getting 6889. So what is the next sum we are going to see is third sum. Third sum is 17956. So same wise you just put the long division 17956. So 2 digits, here also 2 digit and 1 digits. Likewise you have to break it. So for the one number is very minimum. For that one number I cannot do anything. So what you have to put 111. So that's all. Then what you have to do, you just take this two numbers 7, 9, you just take it. Then 1 into 2 is 2, you put it. So okay, now I am just taking this 2 here. I am just putting 2 into 2 is 4, 4 I am getting. Then 2, 3, 3, 9, 69. Then 2, 4 into 4, 16, 1. After 8, 96 I am getting. So 69 is only possible. So what you can put it now? 3, 3 only. So 3 and 3. Okay, so you just put 69. Okay, then 1, 0. Same wise you just take this 1, 5, 6. Okay, then 13 into 2, what is answer? 26. So same wise you go to the rough column 2, 6. Here last number, what is the answer you are getting is 6. So I am just putting 6 into 6. So 36 carry 3. Then again 36, 37, 38, 39. 9 carry 3. Then again 12, 13, 14, 15. So here 1596 greater than you are getting. So it will not come. Next you just try it. 2, 6, 4 into 4 I am putting. So 16 carry 1. Then 24, 25 carry 2. Then 8, 10. So 1056 I am getting. So what is the answer is here? 4 and here 4. So 1056 I am getting the answer. So if you multiply the 134 2 times means you will be getting this answer. So likewise you have to do the long division method. And also you remember for the long division, likewise the square numbers only you have to use it. And you just think about the last number. 6 means what are the numbers? 6 into 6, 36. 4 into 4. Likewise you have to use for 6. Then for 9 means what are the numbers? 3 into 3. 7 sevens are. So likewise you have to get the idea and you have to do this long division method. Though you have the method of prime factorization, if you have been confident of this long division, easily you can find out the square root.